What's going on, everybody? My name is Padawan Slayer, and welcome back to Rebel Galaxy. Now, this is part two of Rebel Galaxy, everybody. So I would have to say that it is important that you see the first episode because you won't understand what's going on, and because I want more money, so you all should go ahead and just watch it so I can make more money. Just joking. I don't get to, I'm not even monetized. I'm just a baby YouTuber. I ain't nothing yet, but I will be one day, hopefully. Alright, so anyway, we're back to this game, and if you watched the first episode, you know that I explained pretty much everything. But there were two things I didn't explain super well, and I'm going to go over them really fast. The first thing I didn't explain very well was commodities market. Now, the commodities market, I explained it kind of well, but the one thing I didn't explain well is if the money of the, okay, so there's up on the yellow thing. See how I'm scrolling? Okay, so right above the one that's highlighted above bio-waste, there's goods, price, sell price, system average, supply, and in hold. In whole. Now the supply is how much is available in the space station that you're at. In whole is the stuff that you have. Sell price is how much it's worth to sell. Uh, and the price is how much it costs, and the system average is how much it normally would cost to sell and to buy or something like that. All right, so now that I got that, and the other thing I didn't explain well was the red pricing is when you always want to buy it, and the green pricing is when you never want to buy it, but when you want to sell it. Because when it's red, that means you can buy it for less because that certain item in the stock market has crashed. So that means that you can buy it cheap and sell it somewhere else, either more expensive, like if it was highlighted green, so you could sell it more expensive, or if it was highlighted white, so you could just sell it for how it normally would be sold. So, anyway, green is, I don't know, I don't remember, but green is when, yeah, it's super expensive. White is when it's at its normal pricing. And then there's these, which are illegal. But they're not illegal in certain places, and sometimes they're not illegal, and then sometimes they are. But since I have bio waste, and since it's red, I need to sell it. Alright, so now, it didn't save my progress last time, so now I need to upgrade my stuff. And I'm not talking for this stuff because I already explained it, which you would know if you watched my other video. If you go ahead and click subscribe and the notification bell, you totally will get to updates on each episode if you totally want to watch this. Because it's gonna get interesting really soon. That was a yawn. Oh, okay, so, here's this. Deflectors. I just remembered. Deflectors, trigger a temporary absorb thing. Uh, Basically what that means is for a limited amount of time, you will take literally no damage at all. Like, not even for your shield. Okay, well, now we're broke as a joke. Okay, so now I can explain the mission board much better. So here's your mission log, and here's our current mission that we had last time, which was to track down Sandar. We don't get any credits for it because it's one of the story missions, but Orzu mentioned Juno's smuggling partner, Sandar, who apparently lurks around Veely's Expanse Station. Maybe he has information on Juno's whereabouts. Okay, now let's look at some available missions. Okay, so we got the Doublejack Rogue. Wandazaku is wreaking havoc at Fort Bend Zone. Local authorities are offering 2,390 credits to rid us of this scourge. Local trouble. Okay, so then that 1,387 credits is offered for the elimination of a small band of Doublejack thugs in the Fort Bend Zone area. Northcott authorities have taken on contact for delivery of obtainium. 5 units of obtainium will be placed in your hole upon acceptance. When you reach Northcott, you will earn 3,390 credits. Obtainium delivery, local trouble, Doublejack Road. Dead drop, seeking an independent agent to retire a dead drop near Yoder Terminal. This package contains critical logistical information. Retrieve the package and return it to Dixon for an immediate cash reward of 2,810 credits. A tractor beam is required to undertake this assignment. And now see, okay, so now the last one, a pair of problems. Multiple bands of Doublejack thugs have been harassing the Povenmire area. Travel to both marked nav points and eliminate all encountered pirates for a prompt payment of 5,772 credits. Okay, so now you would be assuming that I would want to take on this one or this one or any of these really, but here's big brain. We're taking on this one. You want to know why? Okay, so this one doesn't give you a faction decrease or a faction increase. See how this one says a citizenry +7 and a Doublejack thugs -10? Yeah, well, yeah, we totally want the citizens to be on our good side, but we don't want the Doublejack thugs to be on our bad side. We want everyone to be on our good side because we're playing. I'm gonna be playing the good boy route. I'm calling there is no good boy route, but I'm calling it the good boy route, which is me being good to everybody. So we're taking on the dead drop. Yeah, we're taking on the dead drop. And then we're gonna go ahead and we can take on more missions, but before we do any more, I want to show you guys something. Okay, here's the second part that I didn't explain too well. Okay, so the next part I didn't explain too well was combat in general. So broadsides, right? These are the red ones with the 3 little. Okay, you know what? This is scatter turn. You see the little white circle? That's your aimer. I don't know what the white circle does. I think the white circle is where it passes through immediately, and then it goes to that. Yeah, look, see? Okay, so see the little itty-bitty white circle? Okay, so you see how they one of my turrets passes through it? But then you can aim. Alright, yeah, but then anyway, then you can aim. Yeah, and look at how cool that little flare looking thing on the side looks. It's cool. It's cool. It's so cool. What has happened to my skill? I don't do Eric Cartman very well. Alright, so that was scatter turret. And here is yes, broadsides. So now here's how broadsides work. So now you can either choose hang on, I gotta get out of the vicinity of this place. I don't want to attack it and make enemies. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so broadsides can work like this. You can spam them by looking at one direction. I just referenced a band without even realizing it. And then you can shoot to the side. But then, if you look forward, you can shoot to both sides. Even if you look up and even to backward. Okay, so now here's another thing. So when you're shooting from the sides, you don't get aim. But if you aim from the sides, you can do this. Okay, you ready? So there's going to be a blue line. See that? That's a blue line. And now it turned to golden. So if you aim, it concentrates it a little more. But if you aim it completely golden, it concentrates it super well. And also, I think it makes it do a little bit more damage. And of course, you can do it for both sides. Okay, you see how it's charging, but I'm not... Yeah, sorry. You can do that. Okay, so now back to... Okay, so now back to this. Okay, so you see this? Yeah, I already explained it. But anyway, as I was trying to say, this can be, it gets auto. This thing, if you're near an enemy, it automatically will, target it. Here, let me see. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me see if it'll automatically, okay, so see how it says out of range? Oh, okay, so... Okay, now see how I just targeted it? Okay, so since I automatically... Okay, so see... Okay, now look. See that little white... Okay, hang on. No, I didn't explain this well either. Okay, so you see how it says weapons platforms? Okay, so there's a little blue circle. That means that it is friendly. The blue circle around it. Then there's the white, and then there's the blue that are inside that circle. The blue is like, is the shield, and then the white's the hole, just like mine on my little mini-map. That's the same thing, but except for mine. And if you... Okay, so since these guys aren't enemies, if you hit target lock, and it's the little white circle around the blue one, it'll... This little thing... This white circle, will make that little sound, and then it'll become red, and that'll mean it's automatically locked on. See how it's spinning red? Versus that where it's not red, but it... Yeah, see, that was what I was having trouble explaining. But if you have enemies and you don't hit target lock, it'll... That's what this is for. If you wanted to be bad in attack other people. But anyway, anyway, as I was saying, if you're fighting enemies, the enemies have a red circle around them, and then your turret will automatically lock on. Oh, okay, here, traders, perfect. Okay, so you can buy stuff from these guys. Like, this is one more thing that I needed to explain. Okay, so these are mercenaries. They generally accompany them. So now I'm gonna hail them. Oh, sorry, my bad.
What can I help you with?
Okay, so now you can ask these guys if they want to if they need help.
I'm doing just fine. Thanks for the offer anyway. I'm doing just fine. Yeah, we can do business. What do you have in mind?
So you can either choose to buy stuff from them or sell stuff to them if you have items. You can choose to make them give you your cargo, drop your cargo, or suck void, buddy. But I'm not doing that because I'm gonna be a good boy. I'm gonna be a good boy. I'm gonna be a good boy. Then you can ask them for tips, and these guys are like the bartender tips.
Yeah, we can do business. Here's what I know.
I heard that Dixon will pay good money for pure water. So these guys will give you stock market tips if you ask them.
Yeah, we can do business. What do you have in mind? Safe traveling.
Yeah, so that's them. Yeah, so that little white thing above them means that they have a little hail ability.
Safe traveling.
And then there's the Mercs, the Merc gunships that accompany them. Oh, a pirate lord's near here. Alright, so this... Okay, so since I discovered this, you'll find these little symbols if you discover them. And these places are like asteroid belts and nebulas and junk debris, and the junk debris can find random items in them. And yeah, okay, yeah. So see how I found this one over here? This one's an asteroid belt. Yeah, and then you can zoom in, and these are like the type of things that you find there. Oh, okay. And then there's, yeah, I already explained these factions. But there's one that I haven't explained, and I wanted to show you guys because I believe it to be incredibly important. Right here. The Merchant's Guild Station. Okay, so, yeah, so whenever you have something hovered, you can do that white line. Like, look. See, since there's a pirate lord there, asteroid belt. Oh, you can do custom waypoints if you really want, but I wouldn't. It can confuse you. Hold on, I'm sorry. Okay, so you can't, for some strange reason, you cannot highlight the belts. Like, it's really weird. Okay, so now, anyway, I'm gonna leave a bit of foreshadowing here. I'll explain everything about the Merchants Guild Station when we get there, and personally, I love the Merchants Guild Station. Alright, y'all ready? We're heading there now. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Okay, no, this is not good. I cannot fight these guys. I will be dead. I'm out of here. It said threat level red. You fight a threat level that's red, you done. Like, you toast. Oh, we can hail them. Oh, okay, one more. Do you mind shutting up, please? Thank you. Anyway, as I was saying, you can hail the mercenary ships.
You're not going to be in any trouble, are you?
No. And then you can ask these guys to also if there's anything that they can do to lend a hand.
I think we'll be fine without your help. You can be on your way.
Just a friendly offer, no harm done.
I think we'll be fine without your help. You can be on your way.
This area is dangerous. I could sure use your help.
We don't have time for this. We have pressing matters to attend to.
You can be assholes and say, in that case, you can go right to hell. Or, all right. And then you can choose to kill them without anything. Haha, suck for you jackbooted freaks. But no. I don't want to do it just yet. Wait a minute. I don't want to...
We don't have time for this. We have pressing matters to attend to.
I don't want to choose this just in case it does something bad.
Fly safe.
Okay, so now we're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, so this is a completely different station. You see how it's a citizenship place? That means that these things are all the same. Since it's a citizen one in the same galaxy area. Okay, so let's see the. Okay, so oh my goodness, they don't have really anything in stock. Okay, so since these things aren't in stock, you can still sell them. But these are the only things in stock. And see how you can buy the space slaves? Okay, so here's another one that doesn't make any faction. Oh, here's one. Okay, this one doesn't do anything that can force you to fight anyone. Okay, so this one's a dead drop. Seeking an independent agent to retrieve a dead drop near Freda Zone. This package contains critical logistical information. Retrieve the package and return it to Premier for an immediate cash reward of 2,819 credits. A tractor beam is required to undertake this assignment. I'll accept that one. Oh, and then there's easy. Easy target is the name of it. And then if it's highlighted green, that means the risk is low. If it's white, that means the risk is average. And if it's orange, it means it's high. And if it's red, it means it's extremely high. Okay, so now we got these ones, which are basically the same. They're both dead drops, basically giving you the same amount of money. Look, see? This one isn't even as boring because it's less explaining and more traveling. Oh, and then these guys. Okay, see how it's okay, so now this guy has a different mercenary. There's 3 mercenaries as far as I know. As far as I've found, there's 3 different mercenaries. Okay, but here's the news board. Tech boom, mining rush, mining rush, mining rush. A mining claim near MacArthur Point. Mining claim near Caplaso. A scientific boom near Hegagito. Mining claim near Lambton. Pirate Lord. Infamous Captain Terrio Seco. Last time traveling between Government Instructor and Premier. Archaeological find results in tech boom. The artifact studied at Vel's Expanse has resulted in a tech boom on Higoto. Okay, so this is a different bartender.
Good Mike.
How about a beer? Well, okay, so this guy will give you different information than the other guy, which was more of a Texas-sounding accent.
Oh yeah, the Merchants Guild has some nice kit. High-end tractors, special cargo options. You might check it out.
That's what we're heading to, guys, and I'll explain it better.
There was a huge mine strike a few weeks back. We tried to bought in on that before the prices went up. Missed me millions, I did. Don't go flying around all banged up. Make sure to keep your kit in tip-top condition. And stop by the repair yard.
Kit, your gear.
Don't go flying around. If you deal in the grey areas of life, you might think about getting a smuggler's hold. I hear them. Don't go flying. I hear if you have transponders, you can snag some very valuable information.
Yeah, so this guy will give you different ones. If you watch the first one, then you know. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited because I'm finally starting an actual gameplay and I'm almost done with all the stupidness. Got any advice?
I hear if you have transponders, don't go flying. If you deal in some of these militia captains come through here, and they say getting in close lets you really open up on a big ship. No time wasted calculating trajectories. If you deal in a great idea, don't go. If you deal in a great idea, my friends tell me good shields is the way to go. Stay safe before you dump your cash into weapons.
See?
Some of these militia, my friends, if you deal, my friends, if you deal in the gray, my friends, if you deal in the gray areas, I've seen a lot of ships come through with lightning damage. Must pass through one of those dark nebulae.
Alright, so here's the next one.
There was a huge mining strike a few weeks back. We tried to bought in on that before the prices went up. Missed me millions, I did. Ever hear of the Charon system? A couple years back, the jump gates broke down. Now it's isolated. Can you imagine being stuck way out there? Gives me the shivers. There's so many minefields in the system, it's playing hell with trade. Pirates lay them down to slow up a convoy, and then they forget where they left
Yeah,
them.
mines.
What a mess.
Yeah, we can talk about more of the weapons and gear once I actually have them.
Every year the lot ship, so many every year the militia lot ship, there was a huge the militia took out a double-jack base recently. Good on them. Those double-jack pirates are nasty business. The militia took out a double-jack, there was a huge lot ship, so many minefields.
Alright, hear anything about?
Now you mention it, I did hear about something.
Okay, so, hang on, sorry. I heard that Go Basque sector will pay good money for Tachi and Salt. Okay, thank you.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I heard about something.
Alright. Do you know of any bounties in the area?
I got a few tips on local bounties. Well, that's something you have to pay
Too
for.
rich for my blood, buddy.
I got a few tips on local
Never
bounties,
mind.
but I
Good
might.
eye, mate! Alright, so, now that we've talked to that guy and got more information out of him, Tatchin Salt. Okay, this place doesn't have any Tatchin Salt. Okay, so now we can depart the station. Wow, they got 3,900,090,752. 3,999,752 people. Okay, wowie, wowie, kazowie. Alright, now we can head on back to the destination I already was talking about.
Collision warning.
I know this is slightly less boring, but it is still boring. But don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Alright, we're really close. Oh shoot, oh no. Oh no, I got a dock! Okay, so sometimes you'll go to a place, a station, and then there will occasionally be people attacking it. Gotta make it in! I've gotta make it in! Whew. Alright, we made it to the Merchants Guild, everybody. This is super important. Now, when you first arrive at the Merchants Guild, you'll want to become a part of the guild legion. I mean, not that legion sounds like a bad word. No, guild office is important because you can get special gear and special stuff to turn into. I mean, not turn into. You'll get special cargo missions and special privileges with different items. Okay, so let's go to the guild office and talk to the guild news board. Tech boom. Head D2, yeah, headers resulting in a surplus high quality tech gear. Mining rush claim near Calypso has yielded a wealth of valuable minerals and metals. Mining claim near Lambton has yielded a wealth of valuable minerals and metals. A mining claim near MacArthur, da da da. Pirate Lord sighted information to charge seek go, try to lose gaps in power. Ecological find. Okay, that's all basically the same. Guildmaster.
Welcome to the Merchants Guild. What can I do for you?
I'm interested in joining the guild. Can you tell me a little about the benefits?
The Merchants Guild provides fully vetted contracts with reputable individuals and companies. We pay the best rates, and we have representation in every inhabited system you can name.
Look at that, see? Alright. Alright, tell me more.
We also have our own ship outfitting services, with unique vessels and equipment you won't find anywhere else, and all for a modest fee. Advancing in the guild membership also grants you access to more specialized gear if you stick with it.
Thanks for the information. Now, you'll have to pay 10,000 credits to join them. Yeah, so I'm going to have to do those missions to become a part of it. Goodbye!
Thanks for stopping by our offices.
Shoot! Shoot! I'm running away because I don't want to deal with these guys because I don't want to make more enemies. I don't want to make any enemies, my guys. I don't want to make any enemies. Okay, so now we can go ahead and do those two missions. The dead drop risk average. Alright, let's do this. Oh, we're on our way. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that cool? Alright, here's the dead drop. Here's the dead drop that we needed to bring. Oh, an ordnance crate. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to fight them. I love how if you just have it on broadsides, it'll automatically fight for you, which is epic! Boom, one left. And boom, I didn't even lose any faction stuff. Okay, as far as I've learned, you can, yeah, ordnance full is basically your ammo. Ordnance in this game is ammo. For specific weapons. Yeah, okay, so now we've done one of these dead drops. Now it's time for us to return the cargo to, the place we needed to go. Oh, shushy. Yeah, they're too big to break. Alright. So long as you destroy the littler ships, you don't lose any faction stuff. With the enemy people. And I know I'm not talking as much, but maybe that's a good thing, so you can just enjoy the game or something, I don't know. But anyway, as you know, we are currently grinding up for 10,000. Boom. Alright, let's see. Oh no, we're at 4,000. Okay, here's another dead drop. Seeking independent to retrieve a dead drop near Van Trogen sector. This package contains critical logistic information. Retrieve the package and return to Dixon for an immediate cash reward. 2,008 return to payments required. Okay, so now that you know how the dead drop ones work, I can skip out the journey. I can skip out the journey parts. I can edit out specific parts of the journey. Alright, so I will edit out parts of the journey whenever we're doing the dead drop missions, okay? Because that's what I'm doing as of right now. Okay, that custom waypoint is always just for me to be able to do. Alright, dead drop. Dead drop. Alright, let's do this dead drop. Okay, so now if I really wanted to, I don't even have to use the warp. I can use sublight speed, and it would take me that long to get there. It takes me pretty much like 2 seconds to travel. It takes me like 2 seconds to travel 4 of those space meters. If you guys just want to relax and listen to this quiet ambience, that is this nice, slow speed. Nah, just joking. Yeah, look at how far away this is, my guys. I know it's incredibly far. That's why I'll edit out this, you know. Oh, it looks like we just found ourselves a just like we just found ourselves a new asteroid belt that we can mine at. We're not ready to mine yet. We can do mining later. So close, my guys. So close. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, hold on. I just saw a whole bunch of loot. Alright, everybody. These are mines. And this is what they do to them. This is what they are. They auto-track. No, 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 no. No, no, no! I'm just joking. Yeah, they take out a lot of damage if you have really weak hull. Alright, so clearing out minefields is a good idea. Always is a good idea anyway. Now use this. See, if you use your deflectors, that makes everything much easier. Okay, so now here's an ordnance container. No, I don't remember what happens if you shoot it open. Okay, so if you destroy it, it automatically just gives you stuff. Cargo nanofiber. And then, intellectual property. Nice. Okay, so see, I mean, I don't remember, but, hang on. Okay, so where are we? Malatin Belt. And we're in the Borlog minefield. That little circle is, like, I don't know what that is. I don't know what it does, but that's indicating our ship. So, I don't know if getting rid of all the mines will actually get rid of all of them, or if they'll regenerate later on. I don't remember. Yeah, I'm just getting us out of the minefield real fast. Oh, shit. I just realized I missed another ordnance crate. Oh! Okay, well, that's a detected valuable. Yeah, so if you use a pulse scan, okay, so this is mission log on the side here. That shows pretty much all the stuff you've done. Or credits received or bonus credits received. So if you hit pulse scan, yeah, it'll outline that in purple. It's pure water. I'm shooting it, but it won't be destroyed. It's immortal! So what does it look like up close? You're just an idiot. Oh, hang on, hold on. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, now we can see it through that little gap. It's a little itty bitty capsule. I hope y'all could see that on the side there. It was on the side. If you needed to rewind it, go ahead and rewind it. I got all turned around. Hold on. There we go. Oh, hold on. I just realized. Okay, I just realized something really fast. Sorry, my bad. Okay, my bad. Okay, hold on. Okay, so you see this little circle ring thing? Okay, you see the little ring? And you see the little, okay, I don't know if you can see it, but do you see that itty bitty little blue thing down there? That's the ship and its thing. And now do you see the little ring-ish little thing on the mini-map? I think that is in correlation. I believe that must be in correlation with what I just showed you on the, normal map. And look at how far out of the way this thing is. This is all the way away from Central Space Area. Oh, an unidentified signal. Okay, well, we can go ahead and do that first. Alright, this is a message transponder. Okay, so now I'm about to show y'all something. The message transponders, you have to hack them, and you have to press buttons, depending if you use a controller or if you use a keyboard and mouse. You have to press buttons when you hack. See how it says hack message transponder? X, Y, X, B, A, X. Message intercepted, partial transmission. Okay, so this is telling where, money and stuff is. The drop is set. Make the exchange at the coordinates near your freighted zone. Watch out for trouble in the neighborhood and transmission. Okay, so now those little things are a mission for the... Okay, so that thing is the transponder coordinates. Okay, so you can use that as a closest station, and then it'll automatically waypoint it. Closest mission. If you hit closest mission, it'll automatically do that and make it encircled. But no, I personally am just gonna go ahead and have wait a minute. What's this? What is the heck is? What is this little exclamation mark? Oh, okay. So you see how I zoomed in? This means that this is a tiny. This is a big ship. Militia destroyer. They're huge. So now there's an. Oh, the warning sign means they're in war. Oh, I didn't know that. I I didn't know that. That means they're okay. So that the warning sign means special things. Okay, so this one's a mining rush, so that means mining stuff must be good. Okay, so then this is we haven't seen these yet. This is a treaty vessel. I don't know what they do. You can hit Y to clear a waypoint, because that's what it's showing on my screen. Okay, so then, yeah, okay, so then, Pirate Lord sighted. Okay, so these warning things mean special things that are going on. Okay, now that I know that, special things that can all mean different things. Okay, my bad. I didn't even know that, because I'm an idiot. My bad. Okay, so, right over there is the transporter coordinates, and then here's the mission that we have been attempting to do. Okay, I'm gonna hit pulse to see if there's anything in the area. Okay, we've already done that. Oh, mission objective and the mineable resource. Okay, so that white outline is a mineable resource, meaning that there's actually stuff inside of it. But we're not mining yet. We're not gonna mine yet. I'm not doing that yet. Okay, we just discovered the Kisselve ice field. Kisselve ice field. Okay, so now here's the cargo jet drop. And now we gotta deal with enemies. But it's a good thing I'm doing these ones because it doesn't really mean anything bad's gonna happen. Okay, so one more thing. If you have it on auto fire, it'll shoot slower. But if you I also don't think it'll use up your overheat. But if you have it on manual fire, it uses overheat. But sure, yeah, but fire's faster. Take him down, boy! Take him down, boy! Alright, one more down! Alright, we only got 2 more left. Alright, 1 left. Look at how small that thing is compared to my ship. And my ship's incredibly small. Because those things are pretty much escape pods with guns on them. Alright, now all we have to do now is return cargo. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 I just zipped by all the mines. If you guys heard the little ee sound, whatever. Return the cargo. Blah, da 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 da. Moving down on Baker Street. Why don't you wake and stand on your feet? Then it's another crazy day. Take the night away and forget about everything. God, it's so far. Oh, we're approaching the sun, everybody. Oh, oh, look at that. I can't believe it's not blinding. Look Look at that. You can get that close to the sun without burning up. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Oh, no. Oh, shit. Run. It's attacking me. Look at that beautiful sun. Look at that. Look at that beautiful star. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, we're getting too close. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. And it's super big. Oh shit, I just got almost moided by that solar flare. Actually, no, you can get hit by a solar flare and it doesn't do anything. Alright, we're almost done, everybody. Boom. Alright, well, this has been dragging on quite long. So, I believe we're gonna have to go ahead and end it here, everybody, because, yeah, it's been going on. It's been dragging on. It's been dragging on real good. But, yeah. This one was still quite boring. I understand this. But, it wasn't as boring as the last one. So, thank you. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I really need people to hit the notification bell more than anything. Because, then, you know, they actually get notifications for more videos. And thank you everybody so much for watching. I can totally edit out some of the long journey. So yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching, and uh as always, I'll be making more videos, and hopefully I'll see you in the next episode. Subscribe. So, you know, thank you for watching.